Vibe love is somebody that protect my energy from your hard aura. Let my past don't stay. I be my healer, everything I desire. I couldn't see my rhythm flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just follow my dreams. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I play your gun.
What's up? Welcome back. Today we're here with Geeta Hair again. So it's the same packaging as usual. I got this branded Geeta Hair elastic band. I got a information card with a ton of stuff just telling you, their social media, all that good stuff. I got a pair of HD wig caps, a pair of lashes, these are so dainty and cute. And then finally, here is the wig. So the wig that we're working with today is a 4x6 HD lace closure pre-cut wig. Look at that gorgeousness. This wig is actually 30 inches long as well. It's a body wave texture, and I'm just getting into showing you guys a construction of the cap. It's a dome cap. It has a total of 3 combs, a adjustable elastic band which can also be removed. They did cut out the ear portion to accommodate the shape of your ear so it sits comfortably on your head, and it's also pre-plucked in the hairline portion. Now this is the hair. It's super soft, very silky. Absolutely loving it. I'm going to put the the specific density and all that jazz in the description box, so please check that out. This is how it looks once I slip it on. It's so laid, it's so flat, and for 4x6 I absolutely love how it's looking. It's not bulky, it is just right. It sits perfectly on my head, so I cannot complain. All right, so what you will notice in the very front is that there is a tiny line of castiness. I was just like so impressed with how it looked, and hence my facial expression. But yeah, I cut away that very tiny strip which has that cast so I could minimize the cast, and after doing that I further blended it out. So now I moved on to pretty much getting my wax stick because I wanted to lay the top so it looks as laid as possible. That's one thing I love to do to make my wigs look more realistic. So that's all I was doing here. And then after doing that, I pretty much moved on to kind of running through the entire wig with my curling iron. It's actually a ceramic T3 curling iron. And I thoroughly went through the entire wig to just refresh the waves, because you guys know I love that very classical body wave look. And I must say, it laid so well. It's really not thin. The density is perfect. As I said, please check my description box for all those specifications. But yeah, pretty much I'm just gonna jump into refreshing the curls. So we're kind of just gonna play music over that portion.
Everybody go to breakfast. And I'll be worried about him next time you know the truth.
think he's just the man for you. So many reasons why I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See what you did, good things you do, they make me know love. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come pull us up. I want you to make me there. Pull us up. Girl, I want making you pull us up. I feel like making you pull us up. No, 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 pull us up. I want you to make me there. Pull us up. Girl, I want making you pull us up. I feel like making you pull us up. Pull us up.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the white fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed.
And that's it. I went ahead, unraveled everything. This is how we're looking. The lace blended out really nicely with the help of some face powder, as you guys saw that I applied earlier on. And it looks so good. No baby hairs, no swoops needed. Everything is completely pulled back and it looks super realistic. The movement of this hair, gorgeous. 10 out of 10. I was so impressed. Yeah, I really do love it. Love. So be sure to go ahead and check out my description box. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link down below if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself. Shout out to Geeta Hair once more for today's gorgeous look. Yes, and not to mention it's glueless, because you guys saw absolutely no adhesive. I 10 out of 10 recommend this wig today. It is stunning. Not much shedding either. I forgot to mention that. Really and truly is minimal shedding, so that's another plus. But yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this look. If you found it informative, go ahead and give me a thumb up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.